You're cozied up on the couch with a blanket, watching a movie, relaxing at home. There's some rain and thunder outside, and all of a sudden the power goes out. Do you know where your flashlights are? Do you know where your candles are? Do you know where any of your stuff is that you're going to need now that it's dark? Well, if you're anything like me, they're all over the place. There's a flashlight in a drawer here. There's some candles shoved in a cabinet over there. Who knows where the lighters and matches are? This exact scenario just happened to me recently. The power went out and everything was all over the place. When I did find the flashlight, it didn't have batteries in it. This whole time I'm using the light on my phone and I can see the battery on my phone getting lower and lower. And I'm starting to panic a little bit. I'm trying to hold the phone over the flashlight and try to get the batteries in there one-handed once I found the batteries. Then I'm digging through cupboards for candles. Once I found the candles, I'm trying to figure out how to light them. Where are the extra matches? Where are the lighters? That whole situation set off a light bulb in my head. I need to gather all the things that I'm going to need when the power goes out and put them all together in one spot. I decided I wanted to create a kit for when the power goes out. Just like many of you out there, I'm on a budget. So this kit needed to be budget friendly. And what better place to go to create a budget friendly kit like this? The Dollar Tree. So I decided to get organized and well prepared for if the power goes out again. Let me talk about some of the items I put together for this kit. What you need when the power goes out is light. That is numero uno. So that is basically what this kit is based on. If the lights go out, I can go to one spot and grab everything I need to light up my home. Different methods of lighting is really important in case one thing fails, you have something else that can work. So let's talk about some of the items I purchased for my kit. Dollar Tree is notorious for these larger candles, so these are a great item to put in your kit. They also have flashlights, so these are really important to throw in your kit as well. Make sure to pick up some extra batteries for your flashlight and make sure your battery already has flashlights in it.
Your battery already has flashlights in it.
So that you're not fumbling around trying to get the batteries in when the lights go out. Glow sticks don't take any batteries. You just click them and you've got some light. These are a great item to add to your kit, and you can put these all over the house to create some light. Dollar Tree also has puck lights. These are another great item to put in your kit. You can just set these on the floor or anywhere around your house to create some more light. Dollar Tree also has these smaller candles that you can pick up. These would be great for a bathroom or a smaller area. With all of those candles, you need a way to light them. I picked up different methods that you can use to light the candles just in case something fails. I picked up a package of lighters. I also picked up a clicker lighter. And then to be safe but not sorry, I got some matches. All of these items, if something fails, I've definitely got something else to back it up to make sure that my candles get lit. Get lit. Get it? Also, when the power goes out, you may want to start a fire to cook something or for warmth. Dollar Tree cotton balls and petroleum jelly together make an excellent fire starter. So this wouldn't hurt to put in your kit as well. Once you get all the candles lit and you get all your light sources set out, you're good to go with light. But now what do you do with yourself? Your TV isn't working. You need to preserve the battery on your phone. So what do you do with yourself? Well, I've got an answer for that in my kit. Dollar Tree has all kinds of these word puzzles, so I definitely picked up a few. I also picked them up in large print for those of us that are half blind. And don't worry, I'll have plenty of light while working on these puzzles because I picked up one of Dollar Tree's book lights. These are battery powered. They can clip onto just about anything, and these would make the perfect pair to put in your kit as well. Now let's talk about how I'm going to put my kit together. I picked up this box at Dollar Tree. It's got the handles that clip here on the side to keep everything together and in one spot. This box was $3, so you can find this in the $5 section. But to me, it was the perfect size for exactly what I'm going to use it for. So let's put my kit together. I've got my large Dollar Tree candles. I've got my flashlight. And I've got my mini candles, my matches, my petroleum jelly, my cotton balls. I've got my puck light, my glow sticks, my extra batteries, my lighters, clicker lighter, my puzzle books, and my book light. All of this fits so well in this size box. Now, again, like I said, obviously you can add other items. They don't have to be from Dollar Tree. This is just for video purposes. One thing that's not from Dollar Tree that would be great to add here is a battery pack for your phone so that you can charge it if needed. But like I said, stay tuned because there's going to be a list at the end of this video that you can screenshot that gives you all kinds of ideas to add to your kit. So now all I have to do is put on the lid, flip up the sides, and I've got my together. So here is an overhead view of my kit. You can see how well everything fits inside this box. I thought it was the perfect size. And like I said, you can add any items you want from anywhere you want. This was just to give you inspiration and ideas of items that you can purchase at Dollar Tree and save yourself a bunch of money. If you love Dollar Tree content and all kinds of other budget-friendly content, make sure to subscribe. I put out videos and shorts weekly. And here is that list I promised you. Make sure to screenshot this, and I will see you in the next one.